Hi there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through manual and auto stringing, focusing on string inverters because in order to accurately calculate production, we need to complete the stringing and branching for these systems. In this design, the panels are placed across multiple roof facets. To start stringing, click the stringing icon. You can choose manual stringing or auto stringing. You can also use the shortcut key B. When you click auto stringing, select your inverter type, for example, a SolarEdge or a Tesla Powerwall. For SolarEdge, you must select an optimizer. For Powerwall, you need to configure rapid shutdown. Then, there's an important field called the target DC to AC ratio. This helps determine how many panels an inverter can manage efficiently. A lower ratio ensures panels are well matched to the inverter, while a higher ratio allows fewer inverters but can increase the risk of power clipping. This is when an inverter can't convert all the energy the panels generate. Once you set these options, run auto stringing. Solargraf will create balanced strings, assign them to inverters, and ensure all manufacturer recommendations are met. Click Calculate to see the system's production on the right. Now, if you're not satisfied with auto stringing, you can switch to manual stringing. First, add the inverter and the optimizer. Then select manual stringing and start connecting the panels. To create a string, simply hover your cursor over the panels one at a time as you move across a row. Try to move in a clean line and avoid overlapping or jumping between panels. As you hover over each panel, Solargraf will automatically run validations in the background. If you go over the maximum number of panels allowed in a string, the system will show an error. If that happens, just move your cursor back over the extra panels until all validations show passed. Once the validation is passed, click to complete string 1. Then repeat the same process to create any additional strings you need. After the strings are created, click on string 1 and then click the inverter on the roof to connect it. Do the same for any additional strings until everything is connected. Once all strings are connected to the inverter, click Calculate to update the system production. That's it for this walkthrough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.